Hi everyone, welcome back to my first install video on my Camaro Bumblebee mod vlog. Today I'd like to talk about door handles. On the Chevy Concept Camaro that they used in the movie, he didn't have door handles. They were more like silver bars. So I want to try to replicate that. I went online and found these. What they are just covers, so they have double-sided tape, and you just tape them on. I like the way that looks, but I thought it was kind of cheesy that it was just a double-sided stick tape cover. So I looked again, and I got some real door handles. So let's get these installed. Here are the tools we're going to need. We need a T20 Torx driver and a flathead screwdriver. Next, we need to remove this. If you get your nail under it, it should come out really easily, and you can see the Torx screw. To do this, open up the handle, insert your Torx driver, and turn it counterclockwise about 10 full revolutions. At that point, the handle should stay open, and try taking out the lock. If it doesn't come out, keep turning until it does, just like that. And at that point, the front part of the handle, you slide it back, and that just unhooks. Real simple. Now get your front handle, hook it back in to the front, stick the back in. Now for the lock part, we need to take the yellow piece off so we can fit the chrome piece on. Get your flathead screwdriver, carefully put it under here. And slide that off. Get your chrome piece and pop it on. Okay, so I had to pause the video. This piece should just snap onto the lock, but it didn't. So I had to sand around the edges to get it to fit. But it's on now. So to continue, we've got the cap on. Slide it back in. Push it all the way down with the handle open. Take your Torx screwdriver and now tighten it up. Go clockwise. And at some point, this handle will actually go into place on its own. Okay, it's starting to go. Keep it tight. There it goes. And continue tightening it until it's snug. And that's it. Take off the protective wrap, and we have our chrome handle installed. Oh, and don't forget to replace the screw cover. Thanks for watching.